When it comes to AI, finance and accounting professionals need more than hype. They need proven guidance and use cases that matter in the real world. Period-end close tasks can be complex and challenging to configure and manage. Proven AI eliminates the heavy lifting of building task checklists. Instead of starting from a blank template, Trintech AI interprets the task description, recognizes established procedures, and instantly generates a tailored, step-by-step checklist. You stay in control. Simply accept the suggested steps as is, or customize them to fit your team's process. No manual setup, no reinventing the wheel. This standardizes work across entities without adding overhead, accelerates onboarding for new team members who need clear guidance, and supports governance, compliance, and audit readiness right out of the box. As your organization grows, your workflows scale with you, consistently and efficiently. This is practical AI at work. Proven, intelligent, and built for the AI financial close. This is Trintech.